Hey there, AI adventurers, ready to dive into the amazing world of character AI, where you can chat with, well, pretty much anyone imaginable, from the historical figures to your favorite fictional pals. It's all happening here. But first things first, you got yourself signed up. Don't worry, it's easier than making an instant noodles and way more rewarding. Let's get it started. First of all, open your character AI and this will open this interface. Here you can sign up by using your Apple, Google, or email. So you got the choices, my friends. It's like picking your favorite flavor of ice cream. But for signing up to the AI platform, you can use any of this option. However, for this tutorial, let's go an old school and sign up with the email. Just click on continue with email. Now enter your email address. Now tap on join. Alright, email time. Now go to your email. Then tap on the email sent by Character AI. Then tap on login to Character AI. And this will take you to the Character AI website. Next up, don't forget your date of birth. You got the proof that you are not robot trying to infiltrate the system. Now feed your birthday. Once done, tap on continue. Choose your interest. Choose the ones that you like and tap on next. You can just skip this process too. And boom, you are officially in. Welcome to Character AI universe. Now you can explore, chat, and create your own characters and basically have a blast. Go on, start chatting. The AI world awaits for you. And that's it. And you have successfully signed up for the Character AI. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.